Hello there, Tanmay here. Today's topic is that how to grow a yoga business. So, people are just doing same traditional things and I want to tell you that how you can grow yoga business using digital marketing. So, people who know me, hey there, and people who don't know me, my name is Tanmay Sanap and video marketing is my specialty. I'm a digital marketer and this channel is on this channel you're going to learn about digital marketing, entrepreneurship, startup and business. So, let's get started. Boom. I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business on your side. Now, raise the money, hire experts, and go. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content. So, what you need to grow your yoga business online? So first thing is that you have to separate out from the crowd. So how you're going to separate out from the crowd? The best thing is whatever I'm sharing is inside my paid course. So few things I'm gonna tell you for free. Let me share. So first you have to go micro. So whatever people are saying, when someone asks them that what do you do, so they tell that, oh, I'm a yoga teacher. Yeah, there are so many yoga teachers out there. What is different in you? Like I introduced myself as a video marketer. I'm a digital marketer, but there are thousands of digital marketers out there. But what is my specialty? I'm a video marketer, and that separates you from the crowd. So what you have to do, you have to tell people that your specialty. So whatever specialty, Kundalini yoga, Ashtanga, Bikram, Yun, whatever thing is this. So make sure you get separate out by telling people your specialty. And this is the first and basic thing I teach inside my paid course. Very important thing that you go micro in your niche. There are thousands of yoga teachers, but biggies, if you see, they have specialty. That's very important. Next thing is that put your business online. So what you have to do to put your business online? Create courses. So what is happening in offline world? Maybe few people are taking place on rent and then giving rent and their yoga classes. But that's costly and you cannot go 50 students, 60 students, max to max, let's say 100 students. But how you're going to scale? For scaling you have to go online. So put your business online and create your own courses. Again, the bigger players, the biggies, they have their own courses. What is the best thing in the courses? Let me tell you how you have to shoot the courses. I have created a course, that's why I know. So find a specialty. First thing that you have to find a specialty, because people will come and sign in because they see something special in you. Specialty, one special thing they have to learn. So next thing is create a curriculum. So how to create a curriculum for the yoga? It's a bigger thing, but let me tell you in a short. Create a 3-day, 7-day, let's say 10-day course, and put 5-5-3-3 videos on each day. That's how I have created my course. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and put 5-5-5 videos, whatever thing and important things, write them down, arrange them sequence in a sequence, and this is how you will create your course. It sounds easy, but it's a little deeper process. So 30-day practice schedule. Give them, once they complete this 3-day schedule, then give them a 30-day practice schedule. So whatever inside the schedule, you have to do this, so that people will stay connected to your class. There are more things that people just do not buy and they are not going to regularly do. There are more things to you have to tell them to complete the things. That's what I have explained inside my paid course. So what is the best thing in the if you create a course, that you just shoot videos one time and these videos will work for you for lifetime. That's very, very, very awesome thing. So it will help you to scale. And next is weekly classes. What is weekly classes? You can create your weekly schedule as well. So 5 a.m. batch, 6 a.m., 7 a.m. So many people have tried this in the corona time. Yeah, work from home. So how to get student for your online business? So you can just mouth publicity is the first thing. Advertise, awesome. Advertise will work. Advertisers are working awesome. There are people in my community, in our mentors community, they are also yoga, meditation, they have their business and they're scaling like hell with advertising, Facebook advertising and Google advertising. And make sure you have your presence on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. That's awesome thing to grow. How to use Instagram, how to use YouTube. I have created a single video on YouTube how you can grow. This is the I button, just check after this video. So you have to, there are more things in the growing online that I have explained inside my paid course. And my paid course is not costly, it's just 500 rupees course. You know, if you really think that you have to grow, you need to grow, then please buy this course. It's not costly and it will definitely help you grow. So let's get ahead. So next thing is you have to create your personal website. So what is personal website? You know, personal website is for you should look authentic, and if you want to grow your business online, then website is very important. And don't spend so much money on website. You know, 8,000 10,000 is enough for a good website. You know, people will tell you that you have to spend 15,000 16,000. No, don't go for that much money. And for running advertising also, website is important. So website is the first thing. Next, yoga site listing. There are so many yoga sites. List your business there, so people will call you. This is the, you know, basic thing. This is simple. People just ignoring this thing. You will get calls. Super. And last is a bonus thing. This is awesome. You know, so many people are just, you know, not thinking how you can grow your business. Growing your business, that means you have to, you know, increase your cash. How you're going to do this? Let me show you. Products. So whatever products inside required in yoga, like mat, you know, belt and all things, there are so many things. So make sure you give that products from your side. People will join. Let's say you are getting one client every week, you know, from mouth publicity or whatever thing. So people, what these people are doing, they are just buying their things from outside. Don't do this. Don't make them do this. Pick up a wholesaler, make a contract with him, that tell him that I'm getting a you know, weekly one customer. So what you have to do, just take things for, you know, less price, and you have to give little, you know, commission, and provide the products from your side. This is how you will grow faster. You know, let's say your business is online, then it's a different thing, but still you can manage this. If your business is online, then you can, you know, create a page and create a thing that if you will get these things for, you know, for less price and all. You can manage this thing, but make sure you give products from your side. And this is what biggies are doing. Again, they have their own products. If you go to bigger spas, bigger parlors, they have their own product. They give from their side. They don't tell you that buy this and buy that from outside. And this is the strategy. That's the inside strategy. Make sure you are providing products from your side. Okay, that's it. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, you know what you have to do, and see you again.